Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan from Homeschool in the Woods. So I was going to take you guys along with me as I organize some stuff in my homeschool room, and yeah, let's get going. Okay, so my homeschool room is quite the disaster. When we do Christmas, like all the wrapping and everything happens in here. So I had like wrapping paper everywhere. I got that part cleaned up though. But yeah, it was just a wreck. And then I've kind of got just stuff everywhere. So I'm kind of going to start some homeschool prepping for when we go back to school and just kind of organize some stuff, and this is going to bring you on. So, okay. So, yeah, see my lovely homeschool room. I got Dustin's telescopes in here now too. But yeah, so I'm just kind of gonna go through some stuff, try to figure out some things of when we start back school. Trying to decide what science units that we're gonna be doing when we go back. I've got meteorology. I got botany, but I know I want botany to be like more for springtime. So this one's going to probably be the last one that we do. I have, sorry, I got some lights coming through the window. I have geology, but I don't have the rocks and minerals kit for it. I do have the read aloud pack. These books that come with it. Or you have to buy them separate. Rocks and mineral study. So, but I don't know. I think I also have, I have arthropods somewhere, so I don't really know what we're doing yet, but just trying to decide. I really like, I think meteorology would be really fun. This one I bought like this. I bought it from somebody on Facebook, and they had it bound, and they have a lot of the stuff like laminated, so that's really nice. So it'll be a little easier for me to mess with, as I don't have to put it in a binder and all that stuff. So yeah. But that, so don't know what we're gonna do yet. I just know this one's gonna be for springtime, and I have a lot of good books I can put with this too. I'm excited for this because, you know, we are gardeners, so yeah, this one I think is gonna be a lot of fun. But anyway, yeah, just gonna organize some stuff a little bit and put some stuff away. My history all laid out. I need to figure out, it's been a while since we've done some history, so I'm like forgetting where we were. I think we're on George Washington or something. Yeah. So, yeah. Here. Okay, so I've got my book baskets, as I like to call them. They're like these dollar store baskets that you get from the Dollar Tree. They've been in the living room for a while, and we keep all our picture books in there, and I try to switch them out every so often so we can have some new books to read. So I got all kinds of stuff in here as far as just the ones that we've read. I need to kind of switch things out so we kind of have some fresh books, because some of these books have been read way too many times. So I need to just kind of flip through, put these back on the shelf, find some new fresh books to read, because some of these books I'm not sure if I could read them again, at least for a while. So I'm gonna do that. And I apologize for the lighting. This room is kind of dark, so just apologize. Alright, I gotta get all these books put away. Some of these don't really fit on these shelves very well, so I just gonna find a spot for them. These are really good books. It's just, we've read some of these so many times that, yeah, we just gotta get some fresh books in here. book, A Bear's Year. Great winter book. Alright, I need to find some books that we haven't read in a while. Yeah, I got a lot of books. So we'll put this one in there. This one's always fun for the little guy. Put that in my basket. I get it to stay. Oops, my strap's going everywhere here. Yeah, it doesn't want to fit in there very good. Some of them don't like to fit. I have a lot of Becca books, but we're not gonna put those in there. Feel Wood with the Slash Indians. The Night Before Preschool is really cute. Sam and the Lucky Money. I wonder what that's about. I don't think we've ever read that one. I don't know. There's Bugs Galore. I don't think we've read that one. That looks like a fun book. I'll put that one in there. What else do we have? Bathtub Voyages. You know, I forgot about some of these books. I got this tree book. It's really nice. The Magic and Mystery of Trees. We're going to pair this with our botany unit when we do it. I think the kids will really like it. It has really nice pictures in it. So I've got that one on the piano. And this one, We Are the Gardeners. This one's going to go with our botany unit too. And I might just put this one in our book basket. I think the kids would like it. 44 Animals of the Bible. This is from Master Books. We haven't really read it before. I've had it for a while. It has some really nice pictures and talks about different animals in the Bible. And like, I think it has verses at the bottom where you can find them. So, yeah, I think I'll stick that in there. I think this would be fun. I've got stuff just strung out all everywhere. I'm really gonna have to do some cleaning up in here and get everything organized again, hopefully when we go back into our schoolwork, get things back on track. But yeah, it really needs cleaned up. I got books just piled everywhere. So there's a cup of coffee that got left. The kids, they got a whole bunch of new games over Christmas, so I'm trying to get them all organized and put away so they're not just everywhere. We got Pictionary, Operation, Monopoly City. That's one I found at a thrift store for like $2 and it was brand new, so I was excited, but that means I have to play it, so yeah. Battleship and Clue, and we got Googly Eyes, I guess that's how you say it. And yeah, some really fun games. Alright, so working on the other book basket right now, taking out stuff, seeing if there's some in here that we haven't read, so I'm just going through and seeing what we got, because I don't want to take out a bunch of stuff we haven't read, you know. Okay, I know we read that. I don't know why that's in there. I know we read this. Man, we get all this stuff. Get that one out. This one is a really fun book. Blueberries for Sal. I'm gonna leave that in there. So I don't think we even read it. It's kind of a small book, so it kind of got stuck down and inside all the books, so you can see it. Here's another one we didn't read, A Prairie Alphabet. That's a nice looking book. So anything that we read or didn't read, I'm gonna go ahead and stick that back in there. Just Fox and Socks. I'm putting that up because that's a hard book to read. So yeah, this one I really like. Make Way for Ducklings. We haven't read that in a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back. So I'm just kind of going through. There's like a Laura Ingalls Wilder, My First Little House books, Going West. We read Curious George. Go Dog Go. We read that one, I'm pretty sure, a few times. A Was Once an Apple Pie. I don't remember reading that one. It goes through the alphabet, I guess. So we'll stick that one back in there. God's Wisdom for Little Boys. This one is Owen's book. Someone gave this to me. I'll put that one back on the shelf. We have a truck book. Another Curious George book. I don't think we read this one. Curious George Flies a Kite. Not reading Mickey Mouse. We read that one. Busy Bulldozers. Here's an Becca book. I don't know why that's in there. Unless somebody was going to read it once. So I'll put that one back. And I think we read this one too. ABC. Dr. Seuss's ABC book. We read that one. So I gotta find some more books. Okay, so I've been looking over my reward store and it looks kind of sad. So I need to find some things. I've got some stuff kind of put away that I was gonna put in it, but I do need to shop for some stuff for my reward store because it's looking kind of sad. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with a few things that I have. This is our parade candy. We got a bunch of, this is the chocolate bag. We went to the Christmas parade and the kids just loaded up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just like full of candy. So I'm gonna put some candy in one of these pouches on my reward store, but they're only gonna be allowed to buy like one piece probably, or you know, I'll put it probably down in the dollar bills. So that'll be part of our store, but I'm gonna see if there's anything I want first. There's so many. Alright, so I found some of the stuff that I can put in our reward store. I found these little lip smacker things at the dollar store. I got a couple of those. I'm gonna put them in there for the girls. I got this This is journal book. I don't know exactly. Very interesting. It was like 50 cents at a craft store, I think. It has like directions on what to do. I don't know. I thought it was something that would be really funny. So I'm gonna stick this in there. I can see Claire buying this for sure. Sorry if it's not focusing very well, guys. I don't have the best light and my camera's just, you know, being funny. There. So what else do I have? I need to go shopping for sure. My oldest daughter is getting into like shooting some, so I told her she had to have earplugs. So I actually picked those up the other day and I forgot about them. So I'm gonna stick those in there. I'm sure she'll buy that. Ponytails. The girls are always needing ponytails. So they're got this little Trolls lip stuff. And I got these at Target, which I don't go to Target very often. It's just way too far out of the way, and I think it's kind of high, personally. But they had these little what are they? Building bricks, tiny train. I think that's a train. Here's another one, little train. So the boys will probably like those. So I'm gonna stick those in there and maybe they'll buy them. I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. This was just like a really quick, organized chat video. I don't know. But I I just want to get a few things done. It's really a lazy day. The kids are just off playing, and I'm in the house. Dustin's out metal detecting. Not a whole lot to do, so I just figured I might come in here and do some organizing. So thanks for joining me, and if you liked, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.